How to add boarding pass to Google Wallet. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. To start off, you need to open up your Play Store and install your GPay application. Make sure that you are logged in into your GPay. Then you need to tap on the GPay logo that will be in the corner in your left hand side. From all of this list, go ahead and check out the option of Settings. Click on Settings. So from here in your general setting, you will see the option of Gmail import. You need to toggle it on. It is to connect to your Gmail for automatic access to things like loyalty cards, your boarding tickets, and more. Alternative way is to tap on the Passes option, which will be at the bottom of your GPay app. In that, you need to toggle on the option of Transport, then add your details of your boarding pass. If not, open up your Gmail in which you have received your boarding pass. Once you have connected your Gmail to your account, you can easily select the option of Open App or just scan the QR that is in your boarding pass to add to your Google Wallet. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.